Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. I hope you're all having a really good Ramadan with your friends and family, and today this video is just about my trip to Gambia. I just got back from an amazing trip with Penny Appeal USA, and today I'm sharing all about what we did there, why we were there, and how you can be a part of it. Penny Appeal is an organization that helps communities based in Asia and Africa, and the idea behind the name is that they take your small change and they make a big difference with it. With that small change, they find water solutions, they provide medical aid and relief and other forms of humanitarian assistance to areas that are in need of this relief. And what's amazing about this organization is that their vision is not only to provide temporary assistance for the communities, but to help them get on their feet and to eventually create sustainable projects for them that allow them to be independent and feel empowered. Their work focuses on a lot of locations that are hit with crisis, such as Syria and Bangladesh, and they also work in a lot of areas that have cyclical poverty, such as Gambia. Gambia is a small country on the west coast of Africa, facing the Atlantic Ocean. Approximately 3/4 of the population is classified as rural, and the population is underserved in the economic and social aspects of their lives. The main reason I went on this trip was to show all of you what Penny Appeal is doing on site. And we spent 3 days there and we were able to see the change that is taking place with the people there. You can tell that they're so happy to see the Penny Appeal USA team, whether it was providing wells for their farm grounds, whether it's providing sustainable ideas for gardening and providing crops. The project that they're pursuing is not only, providing assistance for a few days or a few months in the winter or in the summer, but they're really making a difference on the everyday life and routine of these people. So one of the examples was we headed into the Horticultural Garden that Penny Appeal began, where people in the village who didn't have jobs are able to work in the gardens with their families and not only make crops to sell them in the market, but they get to keep a portion for them to use and eat and benefit from, and they're able to continue to sustain this garden for different crops of the season, and it's just like an amazing way to empower people and provide them the independence that they need. Another project I saw in Gambia was the well installations that they were doing across several villages, and a lot of these people have spent so much time walking 5 miles to get to the nearest source of water, which is obviously not only painful and tiring, but it also takes a lot of time away from being able to do other activities in the day and be more productive. And so by installing wells for about $5,000 a well, they're able to provide a source of water for people in the community, and everyone gets to access it, not only now, but for future generations to come. Everyone that's going to be utilizing this well will be benefiting from it, and it's all due to a contribution that someone provided for the well or any other sustainable project. So while we were on ground seeing all the projects, we also had a lot of fun too. And there's a reason they call it the Smiling Coast. People there are always so friendly and happy, and whenever we'd come in, people would say, we're making prayers for you guys and we hope you'll make prayers for us too. And I just thought that's such a nice spiritual way to greet people and welcome them into your home, into your country. We had an amazing time, whether it was like taking part in local dances together or just talking about our day or favorite things to do. We found ways to communicate and get to know each other really well. My ask of you guys is that if you believe in this project and you want to support people that are being helped by Penny Appeal, then you are able to donate to the link below in order to help fund all of these sustainable projects, and any contribution you give will go towards creating this income generating project for them. So whether your money goes towards sustaining the garden, sustaining the wells, you will be making an impact on someone's life forever and for future generations to come that are utilizing these projects there. Thank you all for watching this video about this humanitarian effort that's taking place in Gambia with Penny Appeal, and I hope that this video will motivate you all to contribute to these amazing sustainable projects for the future.